Well, I had an idea. Mark II didn't survive the fire. He's missing a lot of stuff. So, I'm gonna... His leg fell off. My Mark II's leg fell off. Yeah. Well, we gonna battle damage him. And then a kit from Hobby Lobby. $20 landscaping kit. And I have a high grade Hazak. Not built. Gonna build it. Bing. And then a plastic bottle. Some clay. LED lights from the Dollar Tree. We picked these up at a consignment shop. Little Tonka truck. And this. So, let's see what happens. Too big. Everything else looks okay. Not happy with it at all. Probably trash it. Check it out, y'all. We made a cobblestone wall. It looks so good. He's adding the shadowing to it now. Ooh, if you look close, you can see my fingerprints.
Yeah, let's not look that close.